Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to promote events on Eventbrite. Now there are different ways of promoting event on Eventbrite. So first thing, you could go ahead and create an email campaign to let people know about your upcoming event. To go ahead and make sure before you start with this, make sure that you've already created an event, and after that you could go ahead and add your event to Facebook so attenders can find and share events on Facebook as well. And likewise, you could go ahead and create an Eventbrite ad campaign to advertise the event across Eventbrite site and mobile app as well. Then make sure when you're creating an event, the description, the title, and the event looks catchy and interesting to people so that they can explore the details about it. Make sure to add good photos or videos about the event or the upcoming event and the location, or all of these information regarding the event, and that can help you promote event on Eventbrite. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.